for the 300 in here, right? But there's a number for. That's what we're doing. It's in 0. Let's clean up. And let's have the chime. There's a garage. Didn't know there was a garage. Like escalators only go up from 0 to 2. And this one is public. Oh, there's a garage which is not accessible. There's a little cab. Let's go down to minus 1. There's a capacity, 975 kilograms, 13 persons. Actually quite a big elevator. It's all for the store. Let's finish up at 1. Actually, ground's on 0, but I don't want to finish there. Here's the handrails. Oh, it's a pretty big cab. This is where we go there. Oh, it's already been a nice car, and that's weird. Alright, that's gonna be it.